How to make mouth-watering, moist, and gooey chocolate brownies in an air fryer. For this brownie recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt. Give the ingredients a good mix until well combined. Now, in a different bowl, whisk together 1/3 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Let the butter cool down a bit before adding it to the mix. Once the sugar and butter are mixed, add 1 large egg. Make sure the egg is at room temperature, as you don't want the butter to harden too much. Whisk until well combined and add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and give the ingredients another good stir. Now, mix together all the dry and wet ingredients. Give the ingredients a good mix until the brownie batter has a smooth, thick consistency. Now, leave the batter aside for a moment and melt 3/4 cup of dark chocolate in the microwave. Once the chocolate has melted, let it cool down a bit. Add it to the rest of the batter and mix it until well combined. Now, add some pieces of dark chocolate and give the batter a final stir. Pour the brownie mixture into a cake pan or baking dish that would comfortably fit into your air fryer basket. Put the baking dish inside the air fryer basket and place the basket in the air fryer. Air fry the brownie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And voila! You got a delicious, warm, moist, and gooey chocolate brownie. Check out my other video here on how to bake a super simple, soft, and crusty loaf of bread in the air fryer. Check it out now.